A heron bird is perched in a tree 65 feet above sea level. Directly below the heron bird, a pelican is flying 15 feet above sea level. Directly below the bird is a trout fish swimming 23 feet below sea level. So if we're looking at this, let's just imagine we're looking at sea level, which would be here. We have a heron bird up here at 65 feet. We have a pelican down here at 15 feet, and then way below that we would have a trout fish at negative 23 feet. So this would be the trout, the pelican, and the heron bird. So we need to select all three of the true statements. So you're going to go through and actually solve for the difference or the distance between two of the animals, and then determine if the statements are true or false. So for A, it says we're finding the difference in height between the pelican and the heron, and we want to know if that's negative 50 feet. So the height of the pelican is 15 feet. I'm going to subtract the height of the heron bird, which is 65 feet, which would give me negative 50. And I see that matches here, so A is true. B says the difference in height is positive 50 feet, so we're doing that again. 15 minus 65 is negative 50. This answer here does not match, so B is not correct. The distance or the absolute value between the heights of the pelican and the heron bird is negative 50 feet. Well, automatically I know absolute value has to be positive, so I know that that can't be true. But to check it, I would do 15 minus 65, which would give me negative 50, but the absolute value of negative 50 is positive 50, and that does not match what we have here for C, so C is incorrect. Then it says find the difference in height between the pelican and the trout is that negative 38 feet. So we know the pelican is 15 feet high, the trout is negative 23 feet below sea level. When I have minus a negative, I can go ahead and make that positive. So we have 15 plus 23, which is 38. I see that this says negative 38, so D is not correct. We have the difference in height between the pelican and the trout is positive 38, so we have 15 minus negative 23. Again, I see a minus a negative. We're going to keep change flip, so this becomes addition. So we have 15 plus 23 is positive 38. That matches here. So E is correct. And then lastly, the distance absolute value between the height of the pelican and the trout is 38 feet. We want to know if that's true. So we have 15 minus negative 23. Again, this becomes addition because we're doing keep change flip. 15 plus 23 is 38. The absolute value of 38 is positive 38, so F is also correct.